A recipe's logbook is a dedicated journal or notebook used to record and organize recipes. It provides a central place for individuals to document and store their favorite recipes, culinary experiments, and family traditions. A recipe's logbook typically includes sections for recipe titles, ingredients, measurements, cooking instructions, and any personal notes or modifications. It may also feature additional sections for categorizing recipes by meal type, cuisine, dietary restrictions, or special occasions. Please help out the channel by subscribe and smash a like button below. The logbook can serve as a reference for meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking inspiration. It allows individuals to preserve and share their culinary creations, ensuring that beloved recipes are easily accessible and can be passed down through generations. Recipes logbooks can be personalized and customized with decorative elements, index pages, and pockets for storing recipe cards or clippings. They offer a tangible and sentimental approach to collecting and organizing recipes, making them a cherished keepsake for cooking enthusiasts and families. This video was presented by Animation Art. Uplift any room's decor with art that's printed on top-quality canvas gallery wraps. To learn more, click the links below. www.artcbyviet.com